a Datsun 240Z.
It's a 1971 240Z. It's got a L28 block in it. The doors are the worst part. The doors have got some rough areas in them that I need to touch up. But overall, it's a really, really neat looking car. So this is the beast. What do you think? It's another project. It looks fantastic, doesn't it?
So excited.
Hey guys, well it is a bittersweet moment. I have been, as you know, I've been working on this car for a couple of years now, and I wish I could keep them all, I really do, but they have to move on, and thankfully I think this is going to go to a good place. It's going to the other side of the world actually. It's going to the United States, it's going to Arizona. So those of you in the US might actually get to see it in person around the place. I believe it's going to be doing some time in Los Angeles as well, so you will actually get to see the car, and the person who's getting it is actually flown all the way here from Arizona, and it is Marcel. How's it going, guys? So Marcel is actually he's actually flown all the way here, so that proves he's quite a serious buyer, and he's going to be the new custodian for the 680G. Yes. So why did you come all the way here to get a Z, to get a right-hand drive Z in the US?
For one, the story of how you built it. For one, from the ground up, was amazing for me. For two, just the experience of getting to fly out to a country I've never been to before, getting to meet Jeff, and getting to look at this beautiful vehicle and see everything in the video. Sorry, there's flies. See everything in the video as real life was amazing. Just to see, how he did the attention to detail on certain things it's real. Okay. And then on top of that, I like the fact that the Z is right-hand drive naturally, not just from Japan or anything like that. It's an Australian right-hand drive with Australian VINs and everything. That in and of itself is going to be a mental thing to have.
Well, that must be super rare. I mean, I assume there are some JDM Zs in the US, but I doubt there's too many Australian ones, so this should be quite unique. Alright guys, well yes, it's bittersweet, but I think Marcel is going to be a great custodian of it, so it's time to say goodbye, and next you'll see is me just dropping it off with the guys that are just going to take it away. And it's been a couple of months since I actually filmed that bit with Marcel, and we've been waiting for the importer to get his act together. Marcel's been waiting and I've been waiting, but they're finally here and the car is going today. And that's it, it's off. It's an end of an era, but I think Marcel is going to love it. Hopefully it gets to him soon, and that is it for the 680G. So I hope you guys enjoyed the entire series, and make sure you come and join me on the my Crazy Ferrari project, because I think that's going to be a good one. All right guys, see ya.